This video illustrates the steps involved in retrofitting the new automated Safelink switchgear to an existing padmount substation. The first step is removal of the cubicle and the existing switchgear under access authority conditions and preparation of the site for installation of the new switchgear. The main components to be fitted are the SCADA cubicle with LV supply cabling, the switchgear LV supply panel, and the automated switchgear assembly, including SCADA cabling. The switchgear is moved into position by crane, close enough to the transformer to allow connections to be made. Once the transformer connections are complete, the switchgear can be landed into position and bolted in place. Doors and side panels of the cable end boxes are removed to allow access for cable jointing. The CTs can be placed to the side until needed in the final stages of cable terminations. Perform all required cable jointing. Secure the cables into the brackets. Complete terminations as per kit instructions. The CTs are labelled L1 to L3 and should be installed to the corresponding conductor. They are directional and should be installed with the green side facing up and the red side facing down. In addition to cable screen connections, ensure the blue wires from the CTs are connected to the earth bolt connection. The steel plinth extension should be bolted in place prior to fitment of the cubicle. It should also be connected into the earth grid of the substation. Install the new cubicle. Remove the backing paper from the self-adhesive tape on the antenna. Then install the antenna to the shelf in the top right corner of the cubicle. Insert the SCADA communication cable plug into its socket and secure the catch in place. There will be one cable per motorized switch. Note that each plug will only fit the socket with a correct pin configuration. Find a suitable location for the switchgear LV supply panel and fix in place to the framework. Connect the supply neutral to the neutral bar on the switchgear. Please note that LV distributors may be in parallel, so observe live low voltage work procedures as required. Connect the switchgear LV supply panel to a suitable source, in this case an unused streetlight fuse strip. Secure cables adequately in position. Insert the LV supply cabling from the SCADA cubicle into a flexible conduit. Run this conduit under the concrete plinth and feed into the low voltage cubicle. Secure the cable neatly in place and connect the active, neutral and earth to the switchgear low voltage supply. Do not install the fuse. This is done by operators during commissioning. Secure the cubicle doors and complete post-work remediation of the site.